Is that a good idea, Jin Jin? There you go. It's shaking. Ah! You all right?
Yeah, I'm soaking. Look at Jin Jin. She's buried.
Ah!
Look. Daddy can't get up.
Jin Jin, you better get out of there.
Look at her trying to come to me.
Get the stick, Jin Jin.
You're stuck, baby.
Larry! All right.
Give me that.
Get out of the snow, Jin Jin.
How did you get over top of that? Look at her. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? What are you doing? Where are you going? You better come here. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Jin Jin. Come here, baby. Come on. Look at her. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Look at her trying to get out.
Come on, Stinker.
Come on. Come on.
Stinky, come on. You're going to have to help her, Dad. Come on, Stinky.
Come on.
She's gonna hurt herself. Whoa! Shit! We're stuck, Jin Jin. Now I'm stuck. She needs some help. Now